Greetings, YouTube. I'm here with the cool dog in South Carolina as drones fly overhead, annoying a cool dog. I have to think back to that song that Sarah, My Flock Is Everywhere, wrote called The Government Dance, and apparently the government is dancing on top of us right now.
Sirens teach the children how to say their prayers. Neon halos flicker over vacant stairs. Gold on the billboards, rust in our veins. They sell us tomorrow like it's free of pain. Mama works silence into her bones. Daddy talks brave, but he sleeps in loans. We wear our hunger like designer clothes. Smile for the cameras, bleed in the rows. They draw the lines, then sell the ink. Call it water while we're taught to sink. They don't hear us when we call their names. They don't feel us in their private planes. We are numbers, we are dirt, we are noise. We are broken microphones with human voices. They build thrones from our worn out trust. They stand up straight while they bury us. We scream truth, but it dies in the dust. They don't care about us. Courts wear blindfolds stitched with gold thread. Justice eats well, mercy sleeps in the shed. History's written with a corporate pen, crossing out the poor, circling profit again. We learn survival before we learn love. Learn to duck shadows shaped like a glove. Every promise comes with teeth inside. Every flag needs someone else to hide. They sell the cure, then spread the disease. Call it freedom when it's keys and fees. They don't hear us when we call their names. They don't feel us in their private planes. We are numbers, we are dirt, we are noise. We are broken microphones with human voices. They build thrones from our worn out trust. They stand up straight while they bury us. We scream truth, but it dies in the dust. They don't care about us. No shelter in their sympathy. No future in their charity. We are the pulse they try to mute. The living proof, the living proof. Say it loud in the factory rain. Say it loud in the bullet train. Say it loud in the cracked concrete choir. Say it loud through the barbed wire fire. Hear us when we call their names. They don't feel us in their private planes. We are numbers, we are dirt, we are noise. We are thunder trapped in human voices. They build thrones from our worn out trust. Wash their hands in our bones and dust. We stay standing, all the world disgust. They don't care about us, but we're still here.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Be sure to check out our girl Sarah at My Flock Is Everywhere. And be sure to decode the secret messages in that song. Block over, dude!